time. About 94 on the decibels right there, so. Yeah, 94. So we'll let you guys hear it when we're finished. We'll do a Valvetronics True Duels. All right, guys, 2022 Wagoneer. I showed you what it sounded like before. I'm gonna show you how it's set up underneath. So factory converter there, comes over, factory converter there, the Y right there. So we're gonna cut it there, then do True Duels from there back. And then they did a 3-inch muffler delete right there, and then back into 3.5, over and out into the resonator there. I'm gonna take it all out, do duels. There it is. We'll let you guys see and hear it when we're finished. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, 2022 Wagoneer. I showed you guys what it was before. It was a single 3.5 with a muffler delete and the resonator. Taking all of that off, taking all the stock stuff off, and we've now done True Duels with Valvetronics and black chrome quad tips from the Tommy. I'll show you guys those here in a second as well. Factory converter there, factory converter there, and then there's where we started our True Duels. Cross them over right there. It's all in 2.5, up and over right there. Hangers, and then the 2 Valvetronics right there next to each other. Boom, boom. And then 2 custom bent tailpipes to go up and over all of this out that side on the passenger side, and then you kind of see it back there, shoved way up and over here. It's a really tight squeeze in there, so then out the back into the quad tips right there. And this is what it looks like from the back. Black chrome quad tips from the Tommy, and the True Duel Valvetronic system right there. So there it is, guys. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And then that's the old system that was all on it. That's the muffler delete right there, and then portion of the tailpipe right there, another portion. So yeah, there you go. Let you guys hear it in a second. This should be with the valves closed. Go ahead. Start up and idle. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels with it closed. Peaked at 90.5, I believe. So, and that's with it closed. So we'll have them open it up and we'll let you guys hear it. All right, and this is the valves open. Go ahead. Idle, here's sound decibels. 68, 69, something like that. Okay. Yeah.
It's quiet for the first time, you know?
Yeah.
So it's gonna...
And then here's the sound decibels. There a second ago. So that's with the valves open. One more time. Yeah. Show you if valves closed now. So much quieter. All right, we'll let you guys hear it on the inside. This should be valves open. 2022 Wagoneer. Drive off number 2, valves closed. True dual 2.5 with Valvetronic mufflers.